In this ukulele review video, we are going to go over two Kala Elites. Matter of fact, they're actually the same. One's a tenor, one's a concert. But I am very happy and proud to be one of very few worldwide Kala Elite dealers. We'll talk more about that in a second. But anyway, this one is going to be on the Kala Elite Myrtle wood. How cool is that? Tenor and the Myrtle wood concert. Welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter, and do you know that we give away an ukulele every single month? That's right, we do. All you got to do to be eligible is just make sure you subscribe to our channel right here, and then follow the link below and go sign up. And that's it, and we'll be choosing a winner for a brand new ukulele every single month. But yeah, I appreciate you being here. This is really cool, these Myrtle wood. You may not know a lot about them. It's not a super common wood used in ukuleles, but it's becoming more and more used, especially with some of the dealers like the Kala Elites and some of the custom builders out there. And you can see it's absolutely a fantastic looking wood. And we're going to do some playing. I'll go over the specs of this one right here, which is the tenor, and this one, which is the concert. These are both available. In fact, all the Kala Elites are available at the #1 store for all your ukulele needs, which is store.ukelikethepros.com. All right? Are you ready? So let's dive into these things. If you like anything about this video, the ukuleles, me, the song, whatever happens, make sure to comment below, smash that like button, and share this video. All right, we're going to start with the concert side because I really want you to hear the difference between a concert ukulele with a high G and then the tenor ukulele with the low G. You can really hear the difference in the sound of the two instruments. Of course, they have bigger bodies. The low G makes a big difference as well. But a lot of people like a concert size because it's a little smaller, easier to hold, and also the fretboard's a little bit shorter. Very unique about this one, the nut width is a little wider on this concert than it is on a tenor. Oh my goodness. That's kind of unusual, but very cool. All right, let's check this out. We got solid myrtle wood. Like, just look at this. This is Flame City here. Okay, just beautiful because here's the wood grain and then all this flame going this way. Absolutely stunning. Solid myrtle wood. By the way, this has a satin finish on it. Then we have the black binding just on the top, not the bottom. Solid myrtle wood on the sides. Look at that. And then bam. Look at this. Now, if I try to tilt this, you're going to see a lot of different variations in the wood grain. So absolutely stunning. This does have a satin finish on it. Did I say that already? If I did. All right. It does have a satin finish on it. Now, check out this rosette here. It's also myrtle wood, but really, really cool how they did it here. So myrtle wood, check this out. All right, so it's grown here in Northwest California and also up in Oregon. Okay, that's really the only place that it grows, and it's a very unique wood. If you notice, it's a beautiful resonance in this wood. It's got a nice kind of mid-range to kind of upper little trebly sound to it. So it just makes a really nice tone wood, not only look-wise, but also sound-wise. What do you think of this? Again, this is a concert. We'll play the tenor in a second. But anyway, let me do a little more playing on this concert. We'll go over the rest of the specs, and then I'll grab the other one. What happened there was go for a D chord, and I got that chord, which is actually a very nice chord right there. All right, so that's a concert size. What do you think? This do have the black nylon strings on them. Okay, then you have the solid mahogany neck. You got the Graph Tech geared tuners here, the ebony head plate. Now, here's the interesting part. This is a concert size, but the nut width here, is 1.39 inches. 1.39 inches was actually a little wider than the tenor. And interesting about these Kala Elites, so I've been doing more of these videos on them. And by the way, these are made right here in California, up in the Petaluma factory for college. What's interesting about these is as this neck goes down, it actually gets wider as you get down here, and it's almost 2 inches, like 1 15/16 inches when it gets up to the body, which is kind of cool. It gives you that little bit of extra space. You do have the ebony fretboard. You got the ivory roid. It's a fake ivory, which is fine. We don't want real ivory anyways. And then we got the 15-inch concert scale length. So, all right, let me grab the tenor. All right, I'll do a little back-to-back playing here in a second, but I wanted to grab the tenor. You're going to notice right off the bat. So everything's the same on it as far as the woods, the neck, all that kind of stuff. The only thing that changes is the size. So if you notice, we got a bigger size here. Okay, you got a 9 1/4 lower bout, boom, versus 8 1/4 on the concert. You have just a little bit of a thicker body here, almost 3 inches, versus the concert's just under 3 inches. So you got a little bit of a bigger body. Plus, this one does have a wound low G on it, so that's going to help as well with the sound. But if you just check this out. I had to play that same chord again because if you play it twice, it's no longer a mistake and it's actually meant to be. All right, so really a big difference between the tenor size and the concert size, and that's really something I get asked a lot about is people trying to decide, do I get a tenor? Do I get a concert? Okay, you have a little bit of a bigger body with the tenor. It's usually a little wider. Here, also usually the lower bout's a little bit bigger. You have this longer scale length here. Okay, so 17 inches, just roughly 17 inches scale length. Now on this one, the nut width is like 1 3.375. So it's actually just a hair smaller. That's about 1 7/16 of an inch. So slightly under 1.5 inches there. And it still gets bigger as you go up here. Now when you get up here, it's about 1 7/8 inches. So a little bit of a narrow neck, probably just because it's a little bit longer. But that's really the two things that people got to figure out on the concert tenor. Do they like the bigger body? Do you like the longer neck, especially when you're playing some chords? It can be tough, bar chords and stuff on people. And do you like the bigger sound of the tenor? Which one do you like? Concert or tenor? Leave that comment below. All right, so let's do a quick comparison. I'll do the same song here. We'll go back and forth. I'm not going to use a backing track, so I'll try to do my best to lock into the tempo, but we'll do the concert and the tenor here. And by the way, if you like anything that I play here, I show you all my secrets. ukelikethepros.com, the #1 site to learn ukulele. We have over 20 courses, a fantastic membership program, and just an awesome worldwide community. So ukelikethepros.com. All right, ready? Let's check this out. All right, which one is for you? Do you like the tenor? Do you like the concert? These are amazing instruments. I call it Elite Myrtle wood, all solid Myrtle wood tenor and concert available at store.ukelikethepros.com. Don't forget what I said earlier. We give away an ukulele every single month. All you got to do is make sure to subscribe to the channel, boom, and leave a comment. Nope, sign up below. I mean, you can leave a comment too, but sign up below and you're entered to win that monthly ukulele giveaway. So I appreciate you being here. Thanks for all the support. If you want to find out more besides the store, besides the website, we do have a Patreon page as well, patreon.com/ukelikethepros. So I'm out of here. Oh, by the way, these do come with a Call Elite transit bag as well. And of course, if you want to upgrade to a hard shell case, get a setup, strap buttons, anything, we can do all of that at store.ukelikethepros.com. So, all right, that's going to do it for me. I'll see you next time. Take care.